You know, I know exactly two things about Roblox. Number one, I'm too old to be playing Roblox. And number two, you could run Roblox on just about any potato out there. But one day, my daughter's teacher asked the class if they knew anywhere to get a good gaming PC. And I guess my daughter's pretty proud of me because she actually mentioned to the teacher that I build gaming PCs. But if my daughter's not in your class, you should get a PC from this place. If you're in the market for a pre-built gaming PC, head on over to PCBros.tech today. Their staple builds are designed to fit all your needs, from their budget office gamer PC featuring a 4th Gen i5 and an RX 6400, all the way up to their professional streamer PC with the Ryzen 5 7600 and RX 6700 XT. All staple builds come with a 1-year parts and labor warranty, free shipping, and of course, 4% off when you use the code PinkyTech4 at checkout. And that code actually works on custom builds and merch too, just in case you want something a little more custom, I guess. So head over to PCBros.tech today and use code PinkyTech4 to get 4% off your purchase. Now back to the show. So after I spoke to the teacher, she had 3 objectives for me. Number 1, the PC had to play Roblox. Kind of a given. Number 2, PC had to be about $500, give or take. And number 3, the PC had to be baller AF. So there were a couple of curveballs here. Number 1, Roblox is not a game. Roblox is a collection of games, and the teacher did not know which ones her son actually played. Number 2, and probably more importantly, she didn't know if he was running any mods. Now, Roblox is relatively easy to play, but if you put in mods, it could get a little dicey depending on what those mods are doing. All she could tell me was that it didn't play well on their laptop that they had, and that laptop had integrated graphics, so yeah, a dedicated GPU should help out, but we'll have to see here. All right, so starting off with the parts list here, we have the CPU as the Ryzen 5 2600. I got this on a local deal for about 40 bucks, but it is 6 cores, 12 threads, and should be just great for Roblox. And since I picked it up locally, it didn't have the included Wraith Stealth cooler, so I went ahead and picked up this Thermalright Assassin cooler from Amazon for about 20 bucks, and we'll have affiliate links for some of these parts down in the description below if you're interested. As for the RAM, we got this 16 gig kit of Silicon Power X. Basically, it was the cheapest RGB kit of RAM I could find on Amazon at the time. For the motherboard, we started out with this B550 DS3H board that I actually picked up locally. However, upon further inspection, there are actually no ARGB or RGB headers on this board. And so we ended up having to go and replace that with an Asus Prime board. This one was a B450, but it had ARGB and RGB headers, so we can make it baller AF. For the storage, we've got the tried and true MP33 from Team Group and the 1TB capacity. And then, of course, we've got a 600 BQ power supply from EVGA that I picked up in a local deal for about 30 bucks as well. For the GPU, I was able to pick up a GTX 1660 here locally for about 100 bucks, and then we're going to stuff all this inside of the Pivia Prism, the non-elite version, which is Micro ATX, has that all-glass look, or close to all-glass, or two-sides glass look to it, but it does come with 5 pre-installed ARGB fans, which would help out in the Baller AF category. So now I guess it's time to put this thing together. Let's see how it looks, and more importantly, how it performs. Or I guess, how it performs and then, more importantly, how it looks, because it has to be baller. Alright, so mission 1 complete. This thing looks absolutely killer, or baller AF if you're into that sort of thing. And mission 2 complete as well, because we did spend about $520 after everything was all said and done, and that includes an activated copy of Windows. But mission 3, can it play Roblox? Well, let's take a look. So what I did was went ahead and went on to Roblox, picked out one of the most popular games, which is Zombie Survivor, cranked the settings all the way to high, and well, we have a locked 60 FPS. So yes, it does play Roblox, and yes, there is a way to actually take that lid off of there and actually go higher, but I figure if we're hitting 60 and it's not moving, we're getting probably closer to 100 or 150 FPS, and you know, if he wants to take the cap off to play Roblox, he can do so. Quit coughing. I'm recording video here. So if you made it to the end of this video, don't forget to hit the like button on your way out. Maybe consider subscribing if you haven't already, and also follow me on some of the other social medias that are down below, including the PinkyTech Discord server. And as always, guys, I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Why are you still here? I'm done, guys.